Plastill LUX Fasteners User's Guide. Innovative solution recommended by professional thermal insulation fixers. Quick to fix, durable, and attractive look. Kit includes 100 pieces of fasteners, 100 pieces of polyamide pins, 1 steel nail. Place the fastener inside the drilled opening. Insert a short polyamide pin and hammer it with a steel nail. Special fasteners construction enables easy matching with polystyrene. Thanks to it, irregularities whilst putting the mesh on can be avoided. Using a steel nail allows quick and trouble-free application. High durability parameters guarantee the safety of insulation's fixing. Removable steel nail eliminates thermal bridges.